Welcome to today's quick guide on managing your Telegram chats like a pro. If you've pinned conversations in the past but now want to clear up space at the top of your screen, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the updated steps to unpin any chat in just a few taps. First, grab your device and open the Telegram app. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is straightforward. Once you're in, you'll notice your pinned chats sitting prominently at the top of your chat list. These might be important groups, frequent contacts, or channels you've prioritized. Now, find the specific chat you'd like to unpin. Press and hold your finger on that chat for about a second. This is the long press action that triggers Telegram's menu options. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of your screen with various icons. Instead of tapping the unpin icon directly, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Give that a quick tap to reveal additional options. From here, you'll spot the unpin choice. It's usually near the top of the drop-down list. Tap it once, and just like that, the chat will vanish from your pinned section. It'll slide right back into its original position in your chat history, organized by your most recent activity. This method works for single chats, but if you've pinned multiple conversations and want to clear them all, repeat the process for each one. Telegram doesn't currently offer a unpin all shortcut, so you'll need to remove them individually. Don't worry, it only takes seconds per chat. Why does this matter? Keeping your pinned list tidy helps you focus on what's truly important. Maybe that workgroup chat no longer needs top billing, or you've resolved an urgent conversation. By unpinning, you're decluttering your digital space and making room for new priorities. Remember, pinned chats are still fully accessible in your main list. You're just removing their spotlight status. And if you ever change your mind, you can always pin them again with the same long press method. That's all there is to it. 3 simple steps to keep your Telegram organized and efficient. If this tip helped you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.